Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Subscribing to this channel is absolutely free and you'll help with this channel grow. So in today's video, I'm making some cookies, starting by adding some, what is it called, margarine. Yes, I'm doing it in a different way. I'm not doing it like I'm not going to bake the cookies like the normal cookies. So that was 125 grams of butter, of margarine, 250 grams of sugar, and then I used a mixer to mix everything up. Then some 3 beaten eggs, then 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, then 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of baking soda. And then 125 ml of whole milk, and this was the kind of butter I was working with. It looks okay. It can make a cake, but as I said, I was making a different type of cookies, and so I placed the butter in a piping bag, and this is what I did. I baked these cookies I baked the first batch at 165 degrees for 20 minutes, and here I was adding another batch. The difference is just the way I was piping them. And I think from my observations, cookies should not have baking powder because they increase in size so much. That was the second batch. And these were the results. That I was saying, cookies should not have baking powder. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next